Well, good Thursday afternoon to you. It's Dan. I want to welcome you to my home in the sticks. If you are new to the channel, I want to welcome you. And if you returning just to see what old Dan's got going on over there, you know it's going to be something. I thank y'all for coming back. Lord have mercy, y'all. All I'm going to say is the rain is coming. Before the rain cometh, I wanted to show you, give you a little update on the raised bed gardens and what I've got growing on thus far for the Spring 18 garden. So give me a second, and that's what we's fittings to do. All right, you and y'all, before we drive on, Lord, it is fixing to come a flood over here. They actually let schools out early today. That's how serious they taking this system that is coming in. I drop a little clip that I took earlier so you can see exactly what I'm talking about.
Good morning, this is Storm Team 11 meteorologist Andrew Samet. Here's a look at our severe weather threat for your day today. Again, main timing for severe storms between 2 o'clock this afternoon and midnight tonight. Again, our main threat is still damaging wind gusts up to 80 miles per hour, but 1 or 2 tornadoes is possible. And if we can get discrete cells developing out ahead of the line, one of those tornadoes could be strong. So definitely a day you want to stay weather aware. And taking a look at your future cast, again, it's really with this activity that I'm going to circle right here, we'll be watching for the possibility of some supercells developing again for us. They might not have enough time though to develop into a supercell because they'll be quickly ingested by the squall line that is expected to push on through, and it's within the squall line that we'll see the best damaging wind threat up to 80 miles per hour, but some kinks in the squall line could produce a tornado. Again, the threat ends around midnight. Make sure to stay weather aware throughout your day today. Keep up to date with the latest forecast right here on the WTOK weather app.
But I'm thinking this one is going to be a nasty one. About 2011, we had a really bad storm come through my area or my community, and it actually ripped the roof of my shop off, and it did damage to my trailer. It just tore up a whole bunch of stuff. They are actually saying that this storm system that's moving in is similar to the one that hit us in 2011, so that ain't good. So before it gets to raining, let me show you what I got growing on. Start off over here by my asparagus bed, and this is my wicking bed that I have set up with asparagus, and Lord, it is growing now. There's probably a few of these asparagus I should have done cut by now, but I let them grow and go to fern, which is cool. You could probably still eat these right here, ain't no big deal. But asparagus is like really growing. I mean, sure enough growing. Here's my Jerusalem artichokes that the Sapa gardener sent me. And I'm starting to get quite a few of them that are popping up, and they're starting to get tall. I hope this is Jerusalem artichokes, not weeds, but they look like they're growing good anyways. Look at there, the thru stout taters. And I'm here to tell you, I got a bunch of them that are coming up. Really happy with how this is working out. Haven't really watered this bed pretty much at all because all of the rain we'll be getting. But I'm actually going to start adding some hay on top of these tater plants here in probably the next couple of days. So the thru stout taters are looking really, really good. There's my wandering blackberry starting to flower. This guy right here just will not die. This plant's probably got to be 6, 7 years old. I hear tell that I should cut this back to just one runner, but it's just so dang pretty. I just hate to cut it. But wandering blackberry is gonna put on some blackberries for show this year. Moving on. Look at there. I hope you can see it with the light, but I actually took these guys from right here and put them up underneath the overhang of my shack. Here is the baby Dutch taters. Look how tall they've gotten. I've actually healed these guys up with soil, I want to say 3 times already, so I'm probably going to have to heal them up again. You see how tall they're getting? So I'm going to have to add some soil to bring it up to about this level right here and just have these tops showing. I need to do that pretty soon. But these jokers, these baby Dutch taters are growing really good. Those are the, ooh, did you hear that thunder? Those are the store-bought baby Dutch taters that I had that started to sprout and put them in a container to grow. They're growing pretty good. I just hope they make for me. Yeah, I hear y'all, I'm coming. All right, I wanted to show you this because I've never seen this happen before in a while. Look at my dang blueberries. They already starting to put blueberries out. These guys normally don't start putting out blueberries till the beginning of May, but I have some blueberries starting to form already. That's looking really good. That's going to be about it for this video. I wanted to show y'all real quickly before the rain came what I have growing on over here, and everything seems to be growing real well. I'm actually waiting till the end of April because, as the old adage goes, if it thunders in February, there's going to be a bad frost in April. And that holds true for East Central Mississippi, because last year I got a heavy plant killing frost, I want to say April 28th or 29th of last year. So I'm gonna play it smart this year and not put anything out until the end of April, because I don't want the frost to kill everything. Have a few things I need to do. Got to get these animals fed. Have a few things that I need to pick up in the yard, because they are predicting anywhere from 60 to 70 mile an hour wind gust and 4 inches of rain within the first 2 to 3 hours. That's going to be pretty serious. I hope everybody in East Central Mississippi and wherever else folks are that this storm is going to impact, I hope y'all batten down the hatches for it, because this one looks like it's going to be nasty. So y'all, I hope everybody's having a showing off good Thursday, and I hope you have a safe Thursday. If you like this video, go on and give it a thumbs up. They help. If you haven't subscribed to the Home and Stick channel, oh, the mercy, y'all need to come on over, give me a look, because I'm always doing stuff. Really? With that being said, you know it's coming. Dan Referee showing off, always gonna say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine. And I mean nobody. Especially when you got inclement weather coming in. Just don't let it dull your shine. And Dan will see you and y'all in the next video.